Welcome back. Hey guys, after a small break, let's again continue. Now we have to sort values according to the column name called num of rating column. So let's just begin. Now let's just say movie material equals to data. Now basically we are doing all the normal stuff which we do in the SQL. So it is not that much complex. We are basically pivoting the table, so we are using the same function for that. On the pivot table for the index which we will be doing is user ID, since we have to identify for the, and then column for the title, and again the value for which we are doing is rating. Okay, then again movie method head. Then again let's just sort the data according to the value for number of rating. Ascending equals to false, and then what we have to do is come ahead again for the 10 data set. Okay, fine, let's just check it out. Okay, it's just okay, fine, we haven't print yet, so it will not show anything. Print this, and yes, so here's the data according title and the rating of number, sorry, the rating and the number of rating for the user. So this is, now we have to analyze the correlation with similar movies. So let's begin this. Now let's say we say so here all are the number of movies. I basically watched the movie Star Wars, so I will be performing for Star Wars user rating. Let's just say this. You can do for any movies which is presented, or you can use any attribute for the table. So if you say the table is for is not for the movie and is for some other project like called anything like product, so it can be for anything specific product like a soap or a mobile, or for the laptop or for the tablet. You can here write the tablet user rating. So just giving an example for that, it is basically the generalized you can use it for any of the data set you have available. Star was, this is the basically column name which we are I am using, so you have to write exactly what it is present, sorry, in the data set which we are providing as the input. Okay, the second movie, correlation between movies, so let's just check between layer, not this, this is the spelling I, and it was released in 1997. Let's cross check, yes, and again as we all do this, select. Now let me just check what would be the output. And yes, the output is key error Star Wars 1970. So it what the error is saying that this is the error and it cannot find the column. So this movie is not present in the file. So yes, it is not present in the file. If you can check, go to the file and check, but I know the value what it is stored in the file. So I will write exactly what it is present. Now again run it and check the output. So here we are getting the correlation between the uh, movies. You can't see though, we have to, it is all the previous data, so don't mind checking it. Here is the actual data. So you can see for the user ID, and this is the correlation between them. So basically, and the last one is layer, it is present and in the file system with the length, so it is the most viewed, it is viewed that much time. Okay, so again we have to analyze the correlation with the similar movies again. So for that, let's just write as again small code. Correlation, first we have to find the similar movies. Similar to what? Star Wars. Just to make a recommendation, we have to select the movie for which we have to find the relation. It is complex English. STARWARS is the Star Wars, and then movie material. Correlation with again Star Wars movie rating. Here is a mistake which I found. Okay, so here is the correlation. Now just No suggestion again. So currently I'm taking the base movie as a Star Wars, so it will find all the related movie related to Star Wars. Sorry. So because I love Star Wars, that's why I'm finding for that. You can find anything for anyone. Star Wars for the line 39 it is saying Start War was not any movie, so don't search for it. Star Wars was the movie for which we are searching. So again go Python, and here it is showing the movie Star Wars. So it is showing correlation for Star Wars. Check here, and then these are the movies which it is showing for correlation. So these all are the movies that are similar to that Star Wars. So here you find it is just a correlation, not the actual data which we are looking. So for the actual data which is related to only Star Wars, sorry, again will be in the next video.